Hello students, today we are going to learn by using the Boolean algebra to reduce the Boolean expression. This Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify the digital circuit. So since it uses only binary numbers 0 and 1, so it is called as a Boolean algebra or binary algebra. It is invented by George Boole, and the symbols are used in a Boolean expression. Usually letters do not represent the mathematical value, and arithmetic operations are not performed in a Boolean algebra. Most important point in a Boolean algebra allows only two possible values 0 and 1 for any variables, and these variables are represent 1 and 0. And there are the different laws, Boolean laws, commutative law, associative law, distributive law, and law, or law, other important law, and inversion law. These all laws are used to reduce the Boolean expression, and that expression we reduce in this lecture. First example, 1 plus AB, 1 plus AB is equal to A. 1 plus AB is equal to A. LHS is equal to A plus AB. So in this term we take the common A, 1 plus B. Since there is a OR law, 1 plus A or A plus 1 is equal to 1. Similarly for that term 1 plus B is equal to use 1. So this term is A into 1. Again A into 1 law, that is A into 1, and law, that is A. So this term is A. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is the first Boolean expression we reduce. Second example, A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. LHS term A plus A bar B. So in last problem or other important law, A is equal to A plus AB. So in this expression A is represented as A plus AB and A bar plus B. So A plus, in this term take the B is a common, A plus A bar. A plus A bar is a law, that is a OR law. A plus A bar is equal to 1. So this term A plus B into 1. Again we use the AND law, that AND law A into 1 is equal to A. Similarly for that term B into 1 is represented as a B. So this is a plus B. LHS is equal to RHS. This we reduce the Boolean expression. Third example, A plus A bar B plus AB is equal to A plus B. So in this expression LHS A plus A bar B plus AB. So take the common term A plus, in this two term B is common, A bar plus A. A bar plus A is equal to 1. This is a OR law. So this term is A plus B into 1. B into 1 means that OR AND law, A into 1 is equal to A. Similarly B into 1 is equal to B. This is the AND law. So this term is A plus AB. LHS is equal to RHS. We reduce this expression. Next problem, A plus B, A plus C is equal to A plus BC. So LHS A plus B into a plus c. This a is multiplied to second bracket completely, so this term is a into a plus a into c. Again this b term is multiplied to second bracket, so this term is b into a plus b into c. Then in this expression we use the laws. A into a, that law, since a into a into a, this is the AND law. So this term is a into a. Next a plus c, again we use that for b into a term is equal to represented as a into b, that is a commutative law. So this term is a into b and 1 plus b plus c. In these two terms take the a common, so this term is 1 plus c ab plus bc. So 1 plus c is equal to represented as a law that a plus 1 is equal to 1. Similarly this law is represented 1 plus c is equal to 1. So this term is a into 1, ab plus bc, a plus ab plus bc. Again from these two terms a is common, so 1 plus b plus bc. 1 plus, since 1 plus b is equal to 1, so this term a into 1 plus bc. So a into 1 law, that is a AND law, this is a a. So a into 1 is equal to a, so this term is a bc. This is LHS is equal to RHS, we represent. Next problem, a b bar plus a bar b plus ab plus a bar b bar is equal to 1. In this term a b bar, in this two term b is common, so a bar plus a bar b bar, this LHS is represented. So a b bar plus b, a bar plus a is equal to 1. This is the law or law. So this term is b into 1. So next is a bar b bar. Next, first and last term take the common terms, or this term is represented as a bar b plus a b bar. So next, from first term and last term take the b bar as a common, so a plus a bar plus b. So a bar plus a is equal to 1. This is a OR law, and for this term this a plus a bar is represented as a 1, so this is a b bar into 1 plus 1. So b bar plus b bar, this is a term represent, and b bar plus b, this is a law use a bar plus a is equal to 1. This is the OR law, a bar plus a is equal to 1. So similarly this b bar plus b is represented as a 1, so LHS is equal to RHS. So we reduce the Boolean expression. Next problem, AB plus ABC plus A bar B is equal to A. So in this problem LHS AB plus ABC plus AB bar. In these two terms take the common, that is a AB 1 plus C plus AB bar. 1 plus, since 1 plus C, that OR law a plus 1 or 1 plus a is equal to represented as a 1. So for this 1 plus C is represented as a 1. So this term is AB into 1 plus a b bar. A bar AB a into 1 is equal to 1, that is a AND law. So this term ab into 1 is represented as a ab plus a b bar. So again we use in this step law, or take the common term, that is a or b plus b bar. Since b plus b bar is equal to 1, that law a plus a bar is equal to 1. Similarly, this term b plus b bar is represented as a 1. So this is represented as a into 1. So a into 1 is a AND law, that is AND law a into 1 is equal to a. So this term is represented as a LHS is equal to RHS. We reduce this Boolean expression. Next problem, a plus a bar plus ab, a plus a bar b plus into a bar b is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to a plus a bar b plus ab into a plus b bar into a bar b. So this a plus ab, that law a plus ab is equal to a. So term this represented as a and plus b bar. So this bracket is represented as a plus b bar. Next term a plus b bar, a bar b. These two bracket we multiply this bracket and this. This a is multiplied to complete second bracket. So a into a plus a b bar plus this b is multiplied to second bracket. So this term is represented b bar a plus b bar into b bar. This is a bracket complete, and last bracket a bar b. Again we use in this expression different laws. A into a, since a into a, that law a into a is a. So this term is represented as a. Then a bar b or b bar a means this is represented as a b bar, that law a into b is represented b into a. Similarly this term b bar a is equal to a b bar. So this term is a into b bar. Next b bar into b bar. B bar into b bar is represented as a b bar, that law a into a law a. Similarly this term a b bar into b bar is represented as a b bar. So this is a b bar, a bar b. In these two terms same, so that law a plus a is equal to a. Since a plus a is equal to a, similarly this term a b bar plus a b bar, a plus a law apply. So this term is represented as a b bar plus a plus b bar, bracket complete, a bar b. Next take the common terms, or take the from this term a. So this is represented as 1 plus b bar plus b bar, this is a bracket complete, a bar b. So this term a into 1, that law 1 plus a is equal to 1. So this term 1 plus b bar is represented as a 1. So this term a into 1 plus b bar, this is a bracket complete, next bracket a bar b. So this term again a into 1 law, that is a into a into 1 is represented as a. So this term is a plus b bar. So a bar b. This a bar b is multiplied to this bracket, or a is multiplied to this. This term is a into a bar b plus b bar into a bar b. So a into a bar is equal to 0, that law and law. So this term total is 0. This a into a bar 0, so 0 into b multiplied by 0, 0. Similarly b bar b means a into a bar is equal to 0. So that term b bar b is represented as a 0. So 0 is multiplied to a bar, and this 0 is multiplied by multiplied to b, so this term is 0, this term is 0, so total answer 0. LHS is equal to RHS. This is we reduce the Boolean expression. This we reduce the Boolean expression. Y is equal to b plus c into b plus b bar c into b plus d. So only LHS is given. So y is equal to, in this first term b is common, 1 plus c into b plus b bar c, b plus d. 1 plus c, since 1 plus c, that law is 1, a plus 1 is equal to 1, so that term 1 plus c is represented 1. So b into 1 into b plus b bar c into b plus d. So b plus b bar c, there is a other important law, a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So a plus a bar b, this law is applied to this term b plus b bar c. So b plus b bar c is represented as b plus c. So this b plus b bar c term represented this b into b bar b, and b plus b bar c is represented b plus c, and into multiply b plus d. So b is multiplied to b plus c, so b into b, b, b into c, bc, b plus d, b into b, b into b, that is law b, b, b into c, b plus d. In these two terms, take the common b, 1 plus c, b plus d. So 1 plus, since 1 plus c, that law 1 plus a is equal to 1. So this 1 plus c is represented as 1. So b into 1 into b plus d. So this b into 1 is represented, that law a into 1 a. So this b into 1 is represented as b. So b, b plus d. So this b is multiplied to again this bracket, b into b plus b into d. B into b is represented as a b, that law a into a. So b into b is equal to b. So this is a b, b into d. So this, in these two terms, take the b common, 1 plus d. So 1 plus d is equal to 1, that law 1 plus a is equal to 1. So this term b into 1. So this term b into 1 is again represented as a b, that a into 1, since this law is represented as a a. So a into 1 is a, so b into 1 represented as b. So for this expression we reduce, this expression is reduced, and that answer is a b, not a RHS. Only LHS is given, and we reduce that expression. And next lecture we study the next point. Thank you watching this video. Happy learning.